We're on a 1975 Flip, and it's nice, it's neat, it's clean, it's staged, it looks really pretty, but we found something behind us. See this light switch right here? We're gonna talk about that in just a second. Now, a lot of you are gonna love this video because you hate inspectors, because inspectors, we point out what's wrong, but we don't actually know sometimes what it is that's wrong. Here's what I mean. I have no idea how this is wired incorrectly. I just know it's wired incorrectly because the switch behind me, switch it on, off, and you'll see those pendant lights are flickering. However, these two can lights right here, those LEDs, they're not working. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave it off. And all we're gonna do is walk over here, and you'll notice that when we flip this switch on, it turns those off. So we're gonna leave it on, and we're gonna go back. And now we're gonna turn this on, and it turns everything on. And now we're gonna go back, and we're gonna turn this off, and it only turns the can lights off.